Good.
Okay, so the syllabus of Kafka and again Zookeeper. So it's basically message queuing services. Like generally it is nothing but so message queuing services generally RabbitMQ everyone know, and again Microsoft message queuing also. Meanwhile, we have like multiple message queuing services, but Kafka is mainly message queuing service is also called as a topic services. Okay, see the syllabus that four vacancies syllabus. So introduction of Kafka and again Zookeeper. What is Kafka? Kafka use cases and scenarios. Kafka architecture overview. Producers, consumers, brokers, topics, partitions, and offsets. And again, what is a Zookeeper? Zookeeper roles in Kafka. Kafka fundamentals. And again, Kafka topics and again, partitions. So this is a like syllabus too. And brokers and clusters, producers and consumers, message format in Kafka, and again understanding Kafka offsets, and again commit logs, and again Zookeeper basics here, Zookeeper architecture and again components, and also leader, follow, and again observer nodes. And is it audible, right?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay.
Also,
So in
you are
this case,
recordings also you are going to give there?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So also, so you can see the topics, third topic, and again fourth. Yeah. So third topics, Zookeeper basics, Zookeeper architecture and again components, leader follows and again observer nodes, Zookeeper columns, and again Kafka installation again setups here. So this is basically this is the first topic here, and again Kafka installation again setups. So this is a theoretical part here, and again after that theoretical with practical. So then again downloading and again installing Kafka, setup Zookeeper and again setuping Zookeeper and again yeah Kafka. And what is it? Good. Kafka broker configurations, Kafka, and again cluster setup and again configurations, Kafka topics, creation again management. So this is a like first basic setups. And again Kafka producers and again consumers. Writing a simple producers in Java and again Python code also. Writing a simple consumers in Java, Python, asynchronous and again synchronous producers here. And again consumers groups and again message consumptions. Kafka partition again replications. Partition strategies in Kafka also. And again Kafka internal tuning, and again Zookeeper advanced concepts Zookeeper leader elections, Zookeeper session managements, and again advanced Zookeeper operations like ACL access control list, access controls, and again security, Kafka security there, Kafka streams and again real-time data processing, Kafka administration and monitoring, and again Kafka integration use cases, Kafka advanced topics exactly one semantics in Kafka, and again Zookeeper and again Kafka troubleshootings, and again finally building a real-time data pipelines using Kafka, setting up Kafka, connect to stream data database like this. This is overall 15 topics. So each topic, each weekend will be going with so each Saturday, Sunday. So we'll be covering so there are overall 15 topics. In the 15 topics, the first weekend we are going to cover four topics. The four topics. Okay. Then the second topics, 5, 6, 7, 8, second weekend. And again, third weekend, so 9, 10, 11, 12. And again, the fourth weekend, 13th, 14th, 15th. Is it clear, right? I mean, this including first day. So actually, we should start live classes today because this demo has been handled from last Wednesday. So last Thursday, Friday, and again Saturday onwards. Sorry, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, and again Friday we did. Yeah. but still like few of them are registered. And again, meanwhile, the fees is also very less. And again, if you go with like some other institutes, it is like more than 20,000 or 30,000. This one, basically end-to-end real-time scenarios. So this is like we are giving the good quality with a less fees consumptions. It's not like we required like a more candidates. So for that purpose, like we made less prices. And again, no need to worry all the real-time concepts. And again, real-time data integrations. And again, the real-time data streamings. So live events capturing, right? So are we are good to understand this up to syllabus?
Sir, by any chance, like we are covering Confluent as well, like any high level overview?
Now, if time permits, so like one more weekend, like any one more weekend, like if all goes well. So as like we require like Confluent also, we can take like 1 hour Confluent for that installation and again configurations and again doing these administrations.
Vishwa, that should we do in first session on the rate all installations, so we can practice the things daily basis.
Yes, yeah. So this installation will be in the both Windows and again Linux.
We can install in the both, sir. Even cluster also we can maintain in the Windows also, sir.
In cluster also we can make like lightweight, like one node cluster we can do it out in Windows.
Okay, sir.
And Vishwa, we are covering which part in this exactly, like development or only administration?
Like completely with administration, like an intermediate level of development also.
Development
In Java,
means like
Java.
we as a Java developers will be using some Kafkas to processing the data. Those will be the development part will be covering, right? How we are streaming the data which is coming from the upstreams and how we are processing to the downstream with the help of this Kafka. All these things will be covering.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, administration part means what is that exactly mean? Like we'll be providing access to the like telling the which Kafka need to come, which cluster need to communicate to which consumer producer, like all these things are how it will be.
Yes, the same thing only. And again, from which topic to which consumers need to be driven the data. And again, how to capture the event-driven data from the consumers and again producers, all the redirection methods with access control list.
That will be administration.
Yes, yeah.
And the fault tolerance also will be covering, right?
I availability,
Come again?
I availability,
Mhm.
I availability, fault tolerance, and again load balancer concept also.
Sir, if
Yeah, retry mechanism in the Kafka failures. If any transaction fail a couple of times, we'll make it as a retry transaction, so 2 times or 3 times. If still while processing those retrying 3 times it failed, that we'll be storing in the some backup place, and whenever we need that time we can reprocess it like that. Things also will be handling right here.
You're asking like failover redundancy, right?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that by default.
Okay.
And if
All streaming related will be covering, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Data streaming.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Vishwa, how is like Kafka administration certification or development? If this helps to that, like, or-
Almost like it is giving the completely from basic to more intermediate to advanced level only concepts. You can clear the certificate.
okay. So you're going to show us like how the development programming things and all, how to program and all, developing all.
Yes,
So
like
you will explain.
yeah, that's in the second weekend. Yeah. Hello. See, basically, Kafka certification, right? They look for like especially for the topics. So what is it? Kafka clusters reps and again Kafka classifications, making the high availability and again security implementation, Kafka security implementation with SSL certificates, and again monitoring and again tuning Kafka, and again Kafka replication is very important, and again high availability, and again zookeeper management also, all this.
Means if the one Kafka broker is failing, it is taking from the different broker like that, sir.
Yes, that is definitely.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to join last time, sir. Nurses or somebody, but
Okay.
I paid the fee. I couldn't join the classes. Afterwards, there
Okay.
was no Kafka.
No worries. Yeah.
Do you have any
Okay.
plan to take like a regular session, sir, on this actually going forward?
No, only weekends.
Informal, sir. Okay.
Recording will be
Yes, please.
the recording will be given for these lectures.
Yes, definitely there is a recording sessions also will be available. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and
And
again
from
installation.
when this batch will start, like, sir?
No, actually this batch should be start today only. But
Okay.
meanwhile, so the fees is also very less, and
Yeah.
few candidates joined, and again we are expecting at least like 10 to 15 members for that. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So, but tomorrow definitely there is a live classes here. Like installation of Kafka and again Zookeeper with the Linux machines with single cluster and again with the multi clusters, and in the prerequisites, all these steps will be given end to end. Right?
Sir,
Then,
I
sir,
don't have any Linux. Can I do it on AWS, something like that? On AWS VMs?
If everyone is having AWS account, we can create in the AWS account only.
Yeah. Better we can do it
So
in
if there is
AWS only.
Windows system, what is the process?
Sorry, please come in.
If we are using a Windows, what is the process for this one, installation of this Kafka?
Okay, you're asking that. Okay, one second.
sir, timing, sir, 9 to 11. What is the timing?
Yes, it's 9 to 11 exactly.
Okay, sir. Okay. That is fine, sir.
Yeah, so
So Vishwa,
basically, yeah, yes, please.
so how do we set up from any server to server, or any virtual, you will be showing any demo how to set up or transfer the messages from one server to another server, but like we'll be having routing, right, in that scenario.
See, that cluster setup is only, it will take minimum 30 to 40 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
But meanwhile, okay, but I have the steps completely how to do all these things. One second. Just
So
a
do we
minute.
have steps to installation of this for Windows?
Yes, I have the steps. One second. I'll show this.
Yeah, can I work on all the examples in Windows, Vishwa?
Actually, we are using Windows only. I'm also having Windows laptop only. So,
Yes. Yeah. We have.
and we'll be giving daily a task for in real time scenarios to come up with the next session, like the interaction sessions.
Yeah. See, yes, yeah. So basically in the installation, I can set up with the Kafka and so is it my screen is visible?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, all these steps. Installation you can set up with the Apache Kafka with the Windows and the Linux machine. Installation on Windows machine, like prerequisite Java development kit, 8 version should be there. Installation Java, and again environment variables, downloading Kafka, extracting Kafka, start zookeepers like this, and you can starting Kafka servers, testing like Kafka by creating the topics here. And that's like additional steps. So installation of the Linux machines also like
But
this.
clustering is possible, sir, in Windows machine. Clustering is possible, like creating multiple brokers like that.
No,
In
but it is
Windows.
a light. But we can take the IN configuration machine, the AWS cloud, and we can do. Yeah, it's possible. But multiple machines there should be there like 3 to 4 machines, but all the machines should be in the same networks. It is possible. Yeah.
In Windows also, sir. Windows also it's possible. You are saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Can you show that in Windows, sir, actually? How we can do the
See,
cluster?
yes, in the classes, and I'll be taking care of that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, yeah.
I mean, you were asking like single node cluster setup or multi-node cluster setup?
Like Zookeeper, we are maintaining like a different clusters now, sir. Like if any Kafka broker is failing, so it will take from the different broker.
Yeah.
Multi-cluster environment, sir, I mean to say.
Okay, multi-cluster setup. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. Suppose one cluster will fail, then it goes to the different cluster like a load balancing, sir. Yes, simple as that.
Yeah. Like in example, like Kafka cluster 1, Kafka cluster 2, like this,
Yes, sir. Yes.
instance one.
I mean, it
like
is a
this.
brokers only, sir. Brokers only, right? Kafka brokers only, right?
Yes, exactly. Broker also I'm talking. Like, in one machine, like, broker 1, in other machine, like broker 2, like this we can do.
Suppose if one Kafka broker, then it will take like a different same topic in the different broker, na, sir. Like
Yes, yes, exactly. So for that, we should take like IN missions in the AWS cloud. Everyone should have a AWS account. In the AWS account, like we can provision the instances here, and we can provision the 2 instances or 3 instances depending to our use cases. How many setup we need to make? I mean, how many brokers we need to make?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So once again, I'll show you.
And that dead letter queue, sir, like suppose if retry mechanism, sir, right? Emirate, like if any, it is not able to manual acknowledgement or something is there, na?
Sorry, can you please go again? I lost your voice. Sorry.
What I'm saying, suppose we are giving like if maybe some DB issue or something, it is continuously reading the messages. In that one, we are sending the message to the some dead letter queue, which are failing messages. Right, sir?
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
so actually we are using, sir. Actually, I'm a bit
Okay.
confused and I'm getting actually, yeah.
Okay. Okay. You can give that scenarios with like notepad for me. I'll be making the complete steps again. I'll be sending, and again we'll do that practical class also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See how to create like self-managed Kafka and Zookeeper clusters. So like we should take like more missions basically.
We required Amazon account, Vishwa. We need to create it.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
No.
What everyone is it no AWS, right? Everyone is having AWS account.
No, we don't have. That's why just
I have already have AWS account. Yes.
Yeah. In the
just normally
AWS,
we can create,
yeah.
Vishwa.
Sorry.
Just normally we can create, right? This one like to provide some card details also is required, I think.
Yeah, we should provide like debit card details or credit card details. You can create it, and you can do.
Without AWS account, we can't learn Kafka, Vishwa. I have no idea.
Definitely, we require a AWS account, and again we should create it this one.
Okay. Basically, we are using JMS Vishwa, and we are planning to migrate to Kafka. Yeah, as part of this course, those things are covered.
Sorry, for migrations, no. Sorry, migrations and all not possible. Yeah.
You know, like approach how we need to take that.
Yeah. Those documentations, which from which on-premises tool you are going to migrate?
JMS.
So what is that for that? Will it supports or not the documentations? I don't know. JMS2, that Kafka is it, again, that Kafka is again migrating to the, launching that clusters up in the on-premises or cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you don't mind, can you tell me the prerequisite for this for attending this Kafka workshop?
No, this prerequisites in the sense like demo or live classes.
Live classes.
Yeah, you have to connect to the management team and again registrations. Then again we can start taking the live classes in this. Yeah.
No, just what are the things required?
Okay. You require a AWS account, and again the
Okay.
AWS account is mandatory. And again in this AWS accounts we should launch minimum uh for 3 brokers cluster setups. Okay. Three, and again overall 5 Windows machines and again 5 Linux machines. We should do in the parallelly both environments.
Mhm.
Auto provision all the instances. I'll show all these things. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Are you going to show the Kafka installation and broker and all zookeeper and all these things using Docker as well as?
Those microservices, again, one more weekend I need to extend it. No,
Okay.
that is actually very good actually, but in the companies and in the companies. So still there is a Kafka and again brokers, there is no stable in the microservices in the Docker level, but still it is in VM level only. But if time permits, definitely in the Docker level also I'll show that. Yeah, because basically we should download from the Docker with the on-premise. See,
Hmm.
we are only like example like Amazon public ECR public repository, like Kafka. Kafka, Docker images also we can pull and we can do.
Sir, it is
But these are like
it's a AWS cloud only, sir. It's not a premises, right, sir?
sorry.
It's a AWS cloud only. Whatever we are
Yes, yes.
doing.
It's AWS load only. Yeah.
Okay, sir. It's not our server premises.
No, no, no. But
Okay.
in the AWS side, we should provision the instances like in Windows machine. Now I provision for the one Windows machine. Same thing we should provision Windows machines Windows machines. We should take like this Windows machine minimum 2019 now to
Yes, sir.
2020 hours. And again here we should take maximum um, maximum mission we should take good configuration only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So in this case, if I take here minimum T3 medium. After doing the labs, we should start shut down the machines. Like minimum T2 X large, we should take like minimum 4-core CPU. Or else at least 2-core CPU, 8 GB RAM. But sometimes
Sir,
it won't support. But minimum we should do all the requirements M5.
You are
Yeah, one
showing
second.
on the Windows, sir. Windows only. You are showing all the examples.
No, Windows and again Linux. See, cluster steps I'll be showing in the Windows and again Linux both. But
Hmm.
for the rest of topics, we can take either anyone, Linux or Windows.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
sir, are you going to cover any kind of dashboard in here, like calf drop type of dashboard or anything?
We can download the Kafka setup tools.
Okay, so in the dashboard will be integrated, right?
Yes, in the dashboard, it will be showing how many topics brokers, producers, consumers will be communicating, all these
Okay.
things.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have my personal videos, each video is like 15 to 20 minutes, like Windows and Linux machines. Once the live classes will start tomorrow, I'll be sharing those videos to installation also. And again, I'll show in the live classes also. If it is getting anything pending issues, you can learn from that tools.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And one more thing, is there any kind of service dedicated in AWS for Kafka related, which you are
Yes.
going to cover?
No, no, basically this is enough actually. Okay, Kafka is the main thing, but this is one. See, MSK.
Hmm.
fully managed, high available, and secure services for Apache Kafka. If I want to do all these things, then again we need to I'll tell that here later on.
Okay.
This is a fully managed, high available, and again secure service for Apache Kafka. It is a ready-made services in the AWS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So once we know like the setups, so how to create a cluster, the ready-made service like quick create, custom create, like an enter custom name, serverless or provisioned one. So if it is a serverless means everything they'll be taking the backend, and again the cluster name, custom create, provision, which version of Kafka we require, like 2.8, 2.7, 2.60, and again 3.1. So and again we version compatibilities, like all these things. You see, Keroft is a replacement of a Zookeeper in the latest 3.7 version, but earlier it is a Zookeeper only. Clear, right? Like this. And again, are we there, right? Everyone on the visible area. Hello. It's like multi-PPC connectivity, tired storage, gravitation, all these things.
When is your Docker and Kubernetes, sir? Kubernetes batch, when is your again it will be started?
Actually, I'm fully occupied with multiple batches.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Are you in Bangalore?
Yes, sir.
Are you in Bangalore?
No, sir. No, sir. In Hyderabad.
Okay, in Hyderabad.
Sir, after creating this cluster, like any kind of networking we have to do, like, do we need to create it in any kind of specific VPC so that we can connect to our on-premise or our application, which can be done in the same VPC? Is it there?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Sorry, come again.
This MSK that is being managed by the Amazon itself. So whenever we are going to create it, how can we connect it? Like, do we need to provision it in a specific VPC so that we can connect it to our on-prem services, or will it be like only in the on-premise? So like, how can we connect it? That's the only one question to me. This fully provisioned.
Yes. We should know AWS services completely. You should know AWS services completely. Then after that, so the networking connectivity with like VPC, security groups, and again endpoint URL connectivity, all these things.
Okay, so in there is a option like in where we can connect it. Oh, okay, there's a VPC option.
VPC option. Yeah.
Yes,
Like example, by default, if you create like this, subnets. So basically, this in which region it is now? This is in Mumbai region. Okay, let create a cluster. Cluster is configuring. What is the serverless? I think cluster is created. Let me check. It's a warning. IAM policies means because basically everyone need to know AWS services. Then only we can able to understand these concepts.
Okay, we can configure our own IAM policy in here also. Access.
Yes. But first basically we should know like on premises traditionally how can we connect and how can do all these things. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. On the premises.
So you are
sir, without cloud.
Without cloud in the sense in the AWS only self-hosted clusters how to create it. But this is like ready-made.
Okay, sir. Okay. This is ready-made. Okay, sir. Okay.
Ready-made. Like AWS MSK is
so you are going to cover the
Hello? Is it audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, it's audible.
See, MSK is nothing but, manages streamings and again Apache Kafka, this one, MSK. Okay. So that we should know. And again, now when we cluster is creating, it will take some time. So this is the easy point. Just it is creating. And again, after that cluster is creations, let me check my screen. But before that, we should know pain point of creating multi-master setups, multi-master multi-broker setups, and again in Windows and again Linux. Then again we can use this one easily.
Okay, so in the EC2 instances also you are going to show us, and as well as MSK service.
Yes, like basically in EC2 machine only, I'll be launching Windows machine and again Linux machines. So that I will do this tomorrow. Okay, because I need to take the large machines. If I take today and again we'll be getting billing. So that's why again tomorrow, once if everyone is available here, quickly within 20 minutes I can show both in Linux and again Windows machine.
And sir, also the calculation which actually you are doing behind the number of data to like how many GB of data it should handle, based on that how many broker it should be required. All this calculation you are going to show us, right?
Yes, definitely. Depending upon the traffic request wise.
Okay.
Like you're asking how to calculate the how many brokers is required and again how many consumers and again yeah, fine. Yeah, that's
Yes, for
default.
for highly available, highly scalable. Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Any confusions, anything more? So please, I mean, if all well, if everyone are interested, so do the registration and again we can start like tomorrow onwards, how to do this in the cloud also MSK implementation. This is generally successfully created with a cluster, right? So this is a demo. Again, how to pull all this and again. The cluster, demo cluster one. It is a serverless, right? So in the properties, and again write through output and again read through output. And again, this is VPC configurations. By default, subnet will be created here. And again, cluster operations. Right now, we never did any integrations. So we can do the integration with like Lambda or any kind of step functions, either any kind of data pipelines. Clear, right?
You are showing directly in MSK existing clusters, sir, or premises on the premises only in the.
No, it's no. Just now we created. See, successfully created cluster, right? So this
Yes,
is a
sir.
serverless.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Custom create. If you want to custom create, provisioned one, and again the cluster Vishwa. And again we can write a Vishwa. This is a serverless I don't want. I want server one only. But now first I want to check compatibility. Zookeeper is done. See, instead of the Zookeeper, they created the Kraft. Okay. So now I can choose this only recommended. And again broker tab Kafka. See now M7 large machine, it will take minimum 8 GB RAM, 2 core CPU. Clear? Like this. Number of zones. How many zones? So brokers per zone. Number of Apache Kafka brokers in the price zone we required, like either 2 or either 3. Anything we can take. Okay. Then again, so minimum so we require like 100 GB of database. So again the configuration, and again Amazon MSK default configuration or customized configuration. Customized configuration here default any create configuration we can do. Here we can write auto create topics enable default replications. So all these things we can do it in after once creation in the traditional method. How to create traditionally by launching the EC2 machine inside that how to create a brokers in the traditional method. Then we can go with it in the automation method here backend. Clear, right?
Yes, understood.
Only one way we can create AWS through clusters, or DevOps also we can do it. Yeah, I think in my project they are using through DevOps configurations only.
Through automation you are telling?
Yeah, these cluster creations and all.
Yes, yes. They will do like Terraform scripting. We can do that also, but not in this class. This is only the Apache Kafka Zookeeper here.
Okay, is there any high level we will be covering?
Sorry, that time if it is there, we'll take it out here.
Yeah, actually that is for that purpose only actually taken this course like it's
This
required.
is just like a Kubernetes cluster, sir, right, sir? This is a
That's it. Yeah.
both are similar, sir, right, sir?
Kubernetes cluster is a container orchestration management.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There also we can manage like a Kafka brokers and everything, na?
Same thing, only they're managing the nodes, but pods are different. Here pods are nothing but topics. Their pods are nothing but containers.
Okay, sir. Okay. Here pods are nothing but a topic, sir. Topics. Okay. Same kind of a topic, sir. Same kind of a topic. Same topic.
Yes, exactly. Yes, yeah. So someone is asking some question, I think, before this. See, basically, according to the syllabus, what I share, that is one. But your question is like more advanced. So, and again, that is like, no, that is in the cloud level. So that syllabus is different. And again, that fee section is different. And again, that classes are different. So this is like, no, but meanwhile, I should not take the cloud services also. But meanwhile, I will be keep on touching with, so all these services in the AWS with this class, existing one.
Sir, any batch is there after this batch, sir, actually? So if we am not possible for this batch, will you start any batch after that? Any this
I didn't get it,
Apache?
sorry.
No, sir. Any other batch is there, sir, for Apache Kafka going forward? If I'm not attending this batch,
I mean, after 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I'll be starting another one, new one.
surely, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. I will try to join this one only, mostly. Yes, sir. Yeah.
If you miss any
Actually,
class, can you provide the recording session for that specific class?
yes, definitely. There is a recording system from the DURGASOFT only. They'll be making recordings and again they'll be sending.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Please let me know.
No, sir, we are good.
Okay. So I can see like, all the team members here for tomorrow. So please be available. I mean, if you are okay with like all these kind of concepts with the, what is that syllabus and again the topics, whatever I discussed. Yes, definitely with the MSC services, MSK, then we can go with like next level. Okay.
You are showing the connector cluster on the EC2 or in MSK?
No. First, we'll be going with the traditional method by launching the system machine, step-by-step iteration. Then after that, we'll come back to the MSK. Then again, we can do this automation.
Okay. Are you covering case streams and KSQL as well?
Sorry?
Are you covering the case stream and KSQL as well?
But the topic is not. But if you want, like, we can do that also. 10 minutes of topic.
Okay.
There is no demo, direct class only, live class only.
Yes. So tomorrow onwards live classes. Actually, today it should be taken like live classes. Like, if you are registered here. So, and again, anyway, tomorrow, okay, if everyone are interested, so and again, it is a less fee section only, and again, we can start with the tomorrow live sector. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So basically, whatever I share my topics in my Bangalore personal classes, I used to charge like minimum 15 to 20,000. But here, because of Durga as my friend, so and again, he shared like you have to take these batches. So that's why I'm taking this one. Okay, clearly. And again, definitely after learning this classes with the syllabus, anyone can crack the certification with the Kafka.
Bangalore also you have institutes or how?
Yes, I'm in Bangalore, and again, I'm working in the Google company in Hyderabad. Mine is like, but I will stay in Bangalore only.
Okay, no. In Bangalore, you have institute or what is?
I have like my own institute, Bangalore.
Oh, okay. Because I'm staying in Bangalore.
Which location, Vishwa?
Sorry,
Which location is that?
Rajajinagar.
Name?
We are iTech Academy.
Okay.
Okay, so please be available. Like if everyone are interested, no force here. And again, this is a good syllabus. And again, according to me, so and again, meanwhile, there's like a lot of Kafka administration jobs in the market. And again, it is more than DevOps package. Clear, right?
Yeah. Correct, sir.
Nowadays,
Yes, sir.
see, Kafka, Zookeeper, Snowflake. If you learn 3 tools, that's very good in the IT market. And again, no need to worry for the sustaination of like any coding. Just you can work on this.
But can you please repeat? You said Kafka and Snowflake.
Snowflake, Zookeeper. If you want interview support, I'll be supporting for you guys. If you want to like other way of interview support, also I'll do. And if you want like interview questions to crack, all these things.
You are going to teach Snowflake as well.
Yes, Snowflake also.
How many days is it? Snowflake?
Snowflake is like weekdays. It's a completely 25 days.
25 days. Please give me the details now. Can you give your mobile number? I will be in touch with you.
Okay, so I'll be pinging here for everyone. So please take 789 46634.
What is the duration of this course?
This is 4 to 5 weekends, but maximally 4 weekends. But we'll take like one more weekend to additionally if it is any incomplete sessions, or as like anyone is missing, even like if I am missing like any one day, so like take it out like 5 weekends.
Okay.
Including Saturday, Sunday, or like
No, including Saturday, Sunday, guys.
acha, okay. And it will be 1 hour or like 2 hour session.
It's a 2 to 2.5 hours.
Acha, it's daily 2 to 2.5 hours.
Yeah, only weekends, Saturday, Sunday.
Acha, only Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
Yeah.
Take 2 hours, sir. Take 2 hours.
No, 2 to 2.5 hours. I mean,
Okay, sir.
2 hours, 30
Yeah.
minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
No, for installation setup only, it will kill our time.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Until unless work for everyone, it will be a problem.
Yeah. So, but also, and again, I'll be sending my personal videos, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, these videos. Even the DurgaSoft also videos will be there, for especially for the setup, only for the setup. Okay.
Okay. And Vishwa, this analog and digital Kafka things also will be covering, right? Differentiation, what?
Did I mention in the topic? Once again. Analog and once again.
Digital Kafkas.
I haven't mentioned here.
I think you can add it. That also.
That is like it will comes in the last weekend, 4th weekend. Yeah.
Which one? Can you highlight it?
The last weekend I can take that one.
Yeah, okay.
Can you share this document?
Actually,
Sure.
admin will be sharing that the key tab things and all, right, for the configuration to the developers who are using the Kafka, these clusters and all.
I'll be supporting to them, and again they'll be sending to you guys. Okay. Okay. So thank you everyone. So that I have like a hand to jump to other meeting. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you everyone. So we'll meet like tomorrow, everyone. So thank you. Bye.